US market update October 27. And we can see on Friday that the SPY had a nice bullish candle and just closed below the 50-day moving average. Once again, this could prove some resistance, but we have had a nice uppish move. And as I highlighted on the weekly chart last week, that breach of that top of that hammer has provided a nice opportunity for going long with a target of at least the 50-day moving average. If we can move above that, wouldn't be surprised if we're going to challenge these highs, but let's see if we can claim that and hold on to it for a day or so before going long based off the dailies. Over to the diamonds, and we can see here another bullish update there. Would like to have seen a little bit more volume on that, but this is looking reasonably bullish with potential bit of headwind just here. Like I said last week, it looks like the market is wanting to grind a bit higher, and we've just got a couple of hurdles to get through. There are plenty of day trading opportunities to be presented on most of these charts, however, and we can look at that in a moment. Here we have the Qs, and the Qs have broken above the 50-day moving average on a bullish update on reasonable sort of volume. If we can see an opening range and a breach to the upside on the opening range on a daily chart, we'd be looking at potential for going long again, possibly targeting up around this 100.5 points up here. If, however, we fail to close above the 50, well, we're looking at perhaps that being too much of a hurdle and perhaps a bit of a pause taking place. Over to the Russell. The IWM chart shows an inside day. So with Monday's trading, looking for a breach of either the bottom or the top of the inside day for a potential either long or short play. If we can break out through the top here, we'd imagine there'd be a short-term burst up towards the 50-day moving average. A breach below there may see a downtrend beginning again. So this is an important day here to look at for a potential breakout, and we'll be looking for a breakout either upwards or downwards to signal the direction of our next trade. Okay, and across to gold. And looking at the gold trust, we can see that this hammer did not prove to be reversal. We've seen an inside day there. So once again, could be quite pivotal. If we're looking at a breach to the upside, perhaps another bullish leg is in place, a breakdown below this inside day, short-term bearish action, we would say. US market update for October 27. See you next time.